game. It's a rich thing.
How is it going, everybody? Mr. Android here, and this is the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. Well, finally I got this device from Amazon for around 25,000, and this will be my first M series phone that I will be using as my primary device. With that being said, in this video we will be doing a quick unboxing of this phone, and also I will try to clear some of your doubts that you have regarding this phone. With that being said, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Alright guys, first thing first, let me quickly unbox this device and see what we get inside this box. First we have the phone itself that I got in black color, and this is actually the base variant, which is 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Now let me keep this phone aside for a moment and see what else we have got inside this box. Next we have the charger, which I guess is the 15 watts. I thought Samsung will provide 25 watts charger inside the box because the phone actually supports fast charging. But sadly, you only get 15 watts charger, which is definitely not a great thing. Next, we also have some paperwork along with the SIM ejector tool. So that's all we have inside the box. We don't get any back cover or a screen protector. Guys, finally I have set up my device, and the first thing that I've noticed is it feels very light in the hands, and I really love this 120Hz beautiful AMOLED display that is very smooth. I have also got my Galaxy A52 with me, and I can clearly see the difference between the 90Hz and the 120Hz panel. It also has the Snapdragon 778G processor, which I think goes really well with the 120Hz panel, and the overall experience is great. Next, if I talk about the fingerprint, it has this side mounted fingerprint which works pretty fast and you will have no issues with it. This side mounted fingerprint unlocks the phone even faster than the in-display fingerprint scanner that you get in most other devices. Next, let me clear some of your doubts regarding this phone. First thing I want to clear is that this phone does not have the 3.5mm jack. Sadly, if you don't have any Bluetooth earphones, then you have to invest some more money and get the new one. Next, a lot of you are asking me about the storage type, whether this phone has UFS or eMMC storage. So what I have done is I have downloaded an application called Device Info, and you can clearly see that the storage type is UFS. You don't have to worry about anything, it comes with UFS 2.1 storage. Next doubt is regarding the software. This device comes with full One UI 3.1 and not the core version. It also supports Samsung Pay, Secure Folder, and it even has the hardware based Knox security as well. But sadly, when I go to Galaxy Store and searched Good Lock, I was unable to find Good Lock for this phone. Still, you can use Good Lock modules on this device. I will make a separate video showing you how you can use it. Apart from this, some people were asking whether it has single or stereo speakers. So I have checked and I can confirm that it has single speakers. So that's pretty much it. These were some doubts that you guys had regarding this phone. I have tried to clear all your doubts and given you my first impressions. I am really impressed with this phone. I really like the build. It feels light in the hands and the display is gorgeous as well. Other than this, it also comes with Snapdragon 778G, so I don't think you will have any issues with the overall performance. And the battery capacity is 5000 mAh, so that is pretty good. So that's it for the unboxing video. I will definitely make a full review very soon, where I will also show you some camera samples. So stay tuned for that. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.